Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Arabic keyboard on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, of course, if you want to change the keyboard setting, we need to go to the settings app. Okay, the settings app is here, and then I'm going to go to the general management setting. Wait, you can scroll down until you find this general management. All right, and then go to the Samsung keyboard settings since we want to change the keyboard setting. Okay, and then go to the languages and types. All right, and if you want to add more languages or more input languages, you can add it right here. Okay, these are the languages I have downloaded. And if I want to use the Arabic keyboard, I just need to activate the Arabic language. Okay, if you haven't downloaded the Arabic language on your phone, I recommend you to go to the manage input languages, and here you will be able to manage the input language. All right, you will be able to download the languages as well. If you haven't downloaded the Arabic language, you can download it right here. And as you can see, there are some versions of the Arabic. Okay, and then I'm just going to choose this one. Make sure you have downloaded, and then you can activate the Arabic language. You just click on this toggle button to activate it, and then I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to go to the search bar, and I'm going to type in something here. If you want to type in Arabic, you can swipe your space button like this, and then you can type in Arabic. Okay, all right, and I'm going to try another language. Okay, this is how the Korean keyboard looks like. Okay, I'm just going to delete it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add Arabic keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.